Marco about edible and text to say never first time our channel is, and make sure to subscribe to the channel and not any post notifications on, so that anytime we may release a video just like this one YouTube for you make sure somebody send you a notification. Alright, so baby says a day I mean subscribe to the channel. Alright, so subscribe to the channel because our channel is making sure say no more air tips and then guidelines how to make you free money online. Okay, so anyways and means we are natural, like anyways and means we are over first free money our website and that guidelines no and I'm the more our air channel way so. Okay, so and then also the first time I make sure to subscribe and not any air notification on, so that anytime we may release videos just like this one, YouTube for sending notification no I share now also what me I them I be because most of the time air na apps no more running promo. That's the time I miss me pushy app in amount so that go to me acquire now so when you be and I also the opposite with the okay, so in the video number 12 10 money making app na free. Okay, so apps na me be money na apps are which may make free money also. Alright, so make sure to stay tuned. Let me list the apps in now. Now to my show can be first one that apps in now to make it scanning also. Alright, so for the steps in now remember this 10 free money making apps or online. Okay, so young coming phones and I make sure apps. Okay, into the first app I ever found premise. Okay, so this app main purpose of the app for researching purpose. Okay, so I'm gonna try some maybe questions on some particular project that I'm running so that our opinion ever blow normal to me improve at the now okay, so when I'll be to me first I'll be make this and the more I will try so answer questions that more now so on bed so I think question be I will scar on bed okay, so this is another app I'll be to me use and they make it scar or online. Okay, next app I found open news app. Okay, so this particular app mainly for writing article. Okay, so we'll try to bring out article on news about like things I'm very interested in. Okay, so anything about like sports, yeah, and I say educational thing, and I say like agriculture, like technology aspect, anything we will try so we write, we put in the form of article and then we post it this particular app inside we create account. Okay, now post this update in our account. Okay, so the number of conform abe ready and I said the number of conform we interested in and then I will put your account in not on baby reading. The more engagement now the more on so bad. Okay, so this is another app I'll be to me I try your hands on and then we'll make it scan. I have a video I'll be to me throw article free without like within 5 minutes wait to natural article. Maybe okay. So help yourself how I'll be to natural free article and then wait to be posted this particular app is now make it scan. That video name me leave link in our description. You wait me no follow now what me is say about your article and what make it scan amount. Okay. So the next app is Scopa News. Okay, this particular app is similar to this one and also another news app like virtual article, article writing app, and also virtual article. So the more the more uncomfortable reading and also the more uncomfortable interested or updates now we put the app or account in. So engagement now we create on that more now from on the mouse car. Okay, yeah. So this is another app Rebecca found okay, this particular app more about like researching app. Okay, and also similar to the first app now I'm the man. This one to normal try say maybe solve questions. So opinion and I'm be try the and also like similar to that one. So opinion now the mom and never bomb no more improve in any projects be I'm try some running app. So basically no mutu ya waka with information I will provide more say never one some more improve video or more. Okay, so this is another app about to make it scar and then another app will make it scar opinion app to say they are need channel. This one to similar to the just previous one I'm the man now. This one to just I'm gonna try some very collective opinions out the mom any like project be on running. So this is another app about to make it scar and also one create account and then you create account more other questions on baby like few questions on baby so the more I answer those questions and each question be always scar on the and then there are other things so ways near there insider bet me solving and then also solving normal and then another app I'll bet me make it scar and skills. Okay, this particular app need a gaming app. Okay, so we create account or this app and then there are different types of games inside. So the more I will boss games now app anymore, the more na no mo yede ombetua oka. Okay, so this particular app no, uketi account no via tip am be man. So uketi account no app ni mu a games na app ni mu se omu game no mo se bo game na ebi a omo ma say download the game no and sawabo make sure so be that game no efi that app ni menko to say bi a o app store na play store na enko download o ensa say enrun ni mo ntumi ntia oka. Alright, okay, so another app I'm be more sense. Okay, this particular app no shopping and then also no service service. Okay, this app no shopping app, so the more I will shopping or more no the more na no so be more car. Okay, and then also service no multi-alka. But mainly no air service now be solving, and then also no auto adding na omo okay, so this is also another app which may make it scar. And then the last two apps I'm doing on Discord and gaming. Okay, so Discord app and also for research purpose, and also I'm gonna try some maybe some opinion, and then I'm gonna improve any project or so through that one no more scar. And gaming also app and also be create account to now board game. So the more board game, no more okay. So we will be maybe you person unya other things about me spending leisure time. So I want make sure so be go through this app. Now I share the over to me. I na we create account to the more we and then no more okay, so I'm really more this particular apps are any tips are with me making scam. Make sure so be subscribe to the channel. Now I any post notification on so that anytime I post videos with says in YouTube for best and updating now with me about now with me now when you scan the also the opposite.